Oh my, visitors, how wonderful.
Okay. I just started the car and it looks like the fast idle is doing its job. The choke is closed and it's heating up like it should. Once I step on the gas pedal, it should drop down to slow idle. And that needle should drop down because that choke, it opens up and it lets it drop. The choke opens because the spring heats up and releases it, so that means it's doing its job. So here I go, I'm gonna step on the gas. Should drop down more. I got it to about 1,000, which is where it should be, 750 to 1,000. So, and that's it. Thank you for watching.